Bit of a change in the weather today, but welcome to Vazon. Vistas cafe here. There's a great fry up. Home to the Guernsey Surf School. Jittery piece of shit. Just land on my hand for God's sake. Have an eye out at this rate. We're officially in a no-fly zone now until we get to WWII Island, which is what I'm heading for. Now let's check out if there are any Nazis hiding in the bunker. Hello, I'm the friend of the foe. Fitzo, is there anybody in here? Papers, please. No. That was disappointing. It's locked. Check out the top. No, not a lot there to see. We have got another loophole tower. You know, I mentioned the Nazis were probably very angry because we were short. Well, if you look at this doorway. Ah, that makes more sense now. This is where they put the traitors. Ah, look your way, no food. Ah. Why don't I just go Hungarian? They look good those shots, but you've always got to come back for the camera. Well, as I stand atop another World War II bunker, something's caught my eye. Pub! It's not a pub. Onwards to Perelle. Not very pleasant laboratory facilities. Smells of crab. Ooh, a sandy path. Haven't seen one of these since relay. That's just made me laugh. You shall swing. You can't get any more Guernsey than this. It's a fishing buoy. You can't get any more Guernsey than that. Seabirds. What is it? I've seen those before. pub. But is it open? Closed Monday to Thursday. It's Tuesday today. Now I know Luray Hotel is shut. That's closed down a few months ago, so if you're looking for a refreshment on this section of the walk, I think your only option is a petrol station. Well, they do have a wine warehouse. Well, I never want to be outdone. Let's have a Jack Daniels and Coke. Now, as you come around past Perelle Butchers, just remember there's no path and you're walking on the road, so just take it easy along this section. Yeah, walking along the beach is not a good idea. After you've just avoided being killed on this section of the road alongside Perelle, just keep an eye out for this sign. National Trust of Guernsey on your left hand side. And just take a walk up this path. And doing that on a clear day will give you a great view over Lehigh Island. Bring you out past the Trepid Dolmen. Chinchon Battery. Isn't that racist? Now this is the real thing. The weather's taken a turn for the worst and it looks like there's a band of rain coming in, so you'll have to knock this one on the head, get yourself back in before I get absolutely drenched because I haven't brought a coat. But stay tuned for next time, because that is not in a no-fly zone. Time. I've had a message. Let me check on my BlackBerry. Tasty phone back in the day.